Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15LBS and the Elevon QD-MINE PWM. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency in small living spaces, like apartments and RVs. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and performance to see which one stands out as the best choice for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The ROVSUN portable washing machine boasts a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds dedicated to washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it a great option for larger loads. In contrast, the Elevon QD-MINE PWM has a smaller washing capacity of just 5.5 pounds, making it more suitable for lighter laundry tasks. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments, the ROVSUN may be the better choice for you. When it comes to design, the ROVSUN features a twin tub setup, allowing for simultaneous washing and spinning. This design can save time and make laundry day more efficient. On the other hand, the Elevon has a single tub design, which is more compact and easier to store but requires you to switch between washing and spinning cycles. Depending on your space and laundry habits, one design may suit your needs better than the other. The ROVSUN portable washing machine comes equipped with a built-in drain pump, making it easier to remove water after washing. This feature adds to its convenience, especially for users who may not have easy access to a sink. Meanwhile, the Elevon is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it ideal for travel and small living spaces. While it may lack some advanced features, its portability is a significant advantage for users on the go. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. The ROVSUN is perfect for those requiring a larger capacity and additional features, while the Elevon excels in portability and compact design. Be sure to consider your specific requirements before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.